Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for you. The Canopy KEEPER 10x10 Pop-Up Commercial Canopy Tent. If you're in the market for a high-quality pop-up canopy, look no further. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of this fantastic canopy. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Canopy 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy. As we open the package, you'll notice that it comes with everything you need for your outdoor adventures. The first thing that caught my eye is the sleek navy blue color. It's not only stylish but also perfect for various occasions. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this canopy stand out. One of the most critical aspects of any canopy is the material it's made of. The Canopy canopy is crafted from 150 denier silver-coated Oxford fabric, which is not only UV resistant but also features air vents on the roof. This design provides maximum ventilation and cooling while offering excellent sun protection. What's more, all stitching lines are seam-sealed to create a waterproof canopy, ensuring you stay dry even in unpredictable weather. Now, let's talk about the frame structure. This canopy is built with a durable high-grade corrosion-resistant steel truss and a specially designed metal top bracket. It guarantees a commercial-grade solid experience. The high-grade steel frame is also powder-coated to prevent rust, peeling, and chipping, ensuring longevity. Additionally, plastic structures at the intersection of steel frames provide flexibility for expansion and contraction, making the canopy both strong and beautiful. Setting up your canopy should be a breeze, right? Well, the Canopy KEEPER canopy delivers on that front. The one-piece frame is fully assembled in high-gauge sturdy metal for easy setup, and you won't need any tools. The canopy even includes 3 holes for height adjustment, giving you the flexibility to customize it according to your needs. Just remember to be careful and avoid pinching your fingers while setting up or dismantling the frame. Portability and storage are essential factors for any canopy. The Canopy KEEPER canopy comes with a wheeled carry bag measuring 48.2 by 10.6 by 8.6, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. It's designed to fit most car trunks effortlessly. Whether you're heading to the beach, a family gathering, or a sporting event, this canopy has got you covered. To make your outdoor experience even more enjoyable, the package includes a 10x10 FT pop-up canopy frame, a silver-coated canopy top, a wheeled roller bag, sandbags, guy ropes, and pegs. It's perfect for various outdoor activities, from family gatherings to business events. You can use it in home gardens, playgrounds, yards, farms, beaches, commercial areas, large gymnasiums, construction sites, disaster relief areas, and so much more. In conclusion, the Canopy KEEPER 10x10 Pop-Up Commercial Canopy Tent is undoubtedly one of the best pop-up canopies available in the market. With its premium materials, sturdy frame, easy assembly, and complete accessory set, it's a versatile and reliable choice for all your outdoor needs. If you're interested in purchasing this fantastic canopy, you can find it on Amazon. We've provided the link in the video description below for your convenience. Thank you for joining us on this product review journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay shaded and enjoy the outdoors with the Canopy KEEPER canopy.